hindi ko ugaling ma-personal with a position. Kasi pag na-personal ka with a position, kawawa yung kabilang side na walang position. So, I just do my job. You just do your job. And hopefully we can meet halfway, and I know you can emerge victorious in any field that you would want to undertake. Kasi magaling ka. It's just that sometimes, yung galing, hindi pinapasok dito. Mas mabuting yung galing, ginagawa, at hinahayaang madinig mula sa iba. That's the only baon I would like you to have. Na lahat ng tao ang magaling, but given that you are on the upper bracket. So, siguro napansin mo ang entrada mo sa akin, ma'am, kung ano man yung plano mo, may sasabihin po muna ako. Natuwa ako dun sa comment mo yun, kasi at least from there, nakita kong you can read my moves. Dahil ipinapasok na kita sa mga seminars. Hindi naman lahat ng tao pinapasok doon. Pag pinapasok ka, meaning, I see a potential in you, and I want you to develop. Yun nga lang, you need to go. Ma'am G also says, Mel, sayang yung teacher na train pa. Sabi ko, di ba, malay ko mabalik din yan. Magaling ka, just put it on your heart and share it to everybody. God bless you.